Hey guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. I wanted to make a video that would benefit everyone who watched it. I mean, who doesn't want to build their wealth and know how to protect it, right? So if you're watching this video, I encourage you to watch it all the way through because I genuinely believe that you'll find some value in it. Financial literacy is not something that is readily taught in schools. So when people get older, they aren't as equipped to handle their finances as they should be. My hope with this channel is to change that. Building wealth is often seen as a journey reserved for the young, but the truth is it's never too late to start. Whether you're just beginning your career, navigating midlife changes, or approaching retirement, there are strategies that you can employ to grow your financial assets and secure your future. The key lies in understanding that wealth building is a continuous process, accessible at any stage of life, and taking the first step today can make a significant difference. So let's go over several practical ways that you can build your wealth. But before we do that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you want to grow your wealth. It will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. Let's get started. To me, budgeting is the most critical aspect of wealth building and personal finance. Budgeting can protect your wealth by helping you track your income and expenses. When you create a budget, you know exactly where your money is going each month. This awareness allows you to identify and eliminate unnecessary spending, ensuring that more of your income is directed towards savings and investments. By sticking to a budget, you can avoid overspending and accumulating debt, which helps preserve your wealth. I have several videos that break down some of the popular budgeting methods, but I'll touch on some of them here. The 50-30-20 budget. 50% of your net income should go to your essentials like housing, childcare, groceries. 30% should go to your non-essentials like entertainment, eating out, and vacations. And 20% should go to savings like an emergency fund, retirement, or debt repayment. For example, if your take-home pay is $5,000 per month, you can allocate $2,500 to your needs, $1,500 to your wants, and $1,000 to your savings or debt payments. Then there's the 80-20 budget. With the 80-20 budgeting method, you simply put 20% of your take-home pay into savings, while the remaining 80% is for living expenses. The 80-20 budget is a good option because it makes it easier to track your expenses and it can be a less overwhelming budget method to start with. For those of you familiar with Dave Ramsey, you'll know that his favored budgeting method is the zero-based budget. In a zero-based budget, every single dollar of your income is assigned to a specific expense. The goal is when you subtract all of your expenses from your income, it should equal zero, assigning every dollar a home. Expenses in this method can also include savings and investing. Getting out of debt can significantly help you build wealth by freeing up your income for savings and investments. When you're not paying interest on loans or credit cards, you can use that money to contribute to a savings account, invest in stocks, or save for retirement. This shift allows your money to grow over time instead of losing value to interest payments. I recommend paying off debt before investing because it can provide a guaranteed return by reducing the amount of interest that you owe. High interest debt like credit card debt typically has interest rates that are much greater than the investment returns that you should expect, making it financially wiser to pay off debt first. Additionally, being debt-free improves your financial stability and reduces stress. Without the burden of debt, you have more flexibility to pursue opportunities such as starting a business, buying a home, or taking career risks that could lead to higher income. By managing your finances well and avoiding debt, you create a solid foundation for long-term financial growth and wealth accumulation. Personal finance is about 80% behavior and only 20% knowledge. Rule number 1 of personal finances is to not spend more than you make, and rule number 2 is not to forget rule number 1. Unlike the government, we can't just go and print more money. Therefore, if you're constantly spending more money than you earn, it's going to be quite challenging to make any headway in building wealth. Living below your means can help you build wealth by allowing you to save and invest more of your income. When you spend less than you earn, you can set aside money regularly into savings accounts or investment portfolios. Over time, these savings and investments grow, creating a larger financial cushion and generating additional income through interest, dividends, or capital gains. Living below your means helps you avoid unnecessary debt, which can drain your finances through interest payments. By maintaining a frugal lifestyle, you can better manage unexpected expenses and emergencies without resorting to loans or credit cards. This financial discipline not only builds wealth, but also provides peace of mind and financial security, enabling you to achieve long-term financial goals. A sound goal is to be able to invest 15% of what you make, but if you're able to do more than that, do it. Saving and investing are essential practices for building wealth. When you save money, you create a financial safety net that can cover unexpected expenses and emergencies. This helps you avoid debt and maintain financial stability. Consistently saving a portion of your income also allows you to accumulate funds that can be used for future investments. For saving, consider setting up an emergency fund by putting aside enough money to cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a savings account. This way, if an unexpected event like a medical emergency or job loss occurs, you have money to fall back on. Another example is saving for vacation by regularly putting a small amount of money into a separate account. This helps you avoid using credit cards and going into debt for travel. You can also save for a down payment on a house by setting aside part of each paycheck, making it easier to buy a home without needing a large loan. Investing takes your savings a step further by putting your money to work. By investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, you have the potential to earn returns that exceed interest you would get from a high-yield savings account. Over time, the power of compound interest and market growth can significantly increase the value of your investments. This growth helps you build wealth more rapidly, providing financial security and the means to achieve long-term financial goals such as retirement or buying a home. For example, you might buy shares in companies like Apple or Google, hoping their value will increase over time so you can sell them for a profit. Investing in bonds, which are like loans to the government or companies, can give you regular interest payments and are usually less risky than stocks. Putting money into mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, which are ETFs, spreads your investment across many different assets, reducing risk while aiming for growth. Another option is real estate, where you buy property to rent out or sell at a higher price in the future, earning income from rent and potential value increases. These saving and investing methods can help you build a strong financial future and reach your goals. Once you're able to create wealth, you need to know how to protect it, whether that's in the accounts you invest in or simply through insurance and tax advantages. Protecting your wealth involves taking steps to safeguard your assets and ensure long-term financial security. One important way to do this is by diversifying your investments. By spreading your money across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you reduce the risk of losing a significant portion of your wealth if one investment performs poorly. Diversification helps to balance potential losses with gains, creating a more stable financial portfolio. Another crucial aspect of wealth protection is having adequate insurance coverage. Health, life, home, and auto insurance can protect you from large, unexpected expenses that could otherwise deplete your savings. Additionally, creating an emergency fund with enough savings to cover several months' worth of expenses can provide a financial cushion in case of a job loss or other financial setbacks. Lastly, it's essential to regularly review and update your financial plans. This includes monitoring your investments, reassessing your insurance needs, and ensuring your estate planning documents like wills and trusts are up to date. Staying informed and proactive about your finances helps to safeguard your wealth and provides peace of mind. Guys, know that building wealth is a process that can start at any age, whether you're just beginning your career, navigating your midlife changes, or approaching retirement. The key is to start taking actionable steps today towards financial stability and growth. Creating a budget is essential. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you can save and invest more effectively. Consistently saving a portion of your income allows you to accumulate funds that can be invested to generate additional income through interest, dividends, and capital gains. Eliminating debt is another critical step in building wealth. By paying off high-interest loans and credit card debt, you free up more of your income for saving and investments. This shift allows your money to grow over time instead of being lost to interest payments. Additionally, living below your means by spending less than you earn ensures that you can regularly contribute to your savings and investment goals and build a solid financial foundation. Investing wisely is vital at any age. Diversifying your investments across different assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategies based on your financial goals and market conditions is also important. By taking these steps, you can build and protect your wealth and provide financial security at any stage of life. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.